Good morning guys, in front of me is HOTWAV W11 and let me show you how to activate developer options. First of all, enter the settings, then scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, locate build number, here you've got it, and tap on it 7 times. Then provide your pattern, pin code, fingerprint, whatever you have, whatever you use, and as you can see you unlocked developer options. So let's go back, select System and mark Developer Options. Here you've got all of them. You can smoothly use them and do whatever you want with your device. And whenever you want to switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop indicator, and then you will have to perform the same trick again to unlock them. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.